बहुत सारे केसेस होते हैं जो अननोटिस चले जाते हैं बिकॉज दे इनसाइड और उसकी कोई हियरिंग नहीं होती, वो फाइल नहीं कर पाते, तो यू हेल्प देम.
Yes.
ओके.
I fight for the custodian rights.
ओके.
Our constitution has given some custodian rights for the people who are in detention,
ओके.
who are in jail, in common words. So they have their certain right, the equality to live with dignity, whatever they are imprisoned with. Everybody as humans have certain right
करेक्ट.
to live with dignity, right to live with peace, proper food, basic needs, water, amenities. So basic, I fight for the custodians. There are so many innocent people inside that you don't have an idea about. I'm talking about women jail. When you see the situation in women jail, they're delivering babies out there.
ओ माय गॉड.
And what about the baby? Where will they put the baby after that? What about their nutrition? What about the later on circumstances that anything goes wrong? And, I mean, yeah, that is something that is okay. You have done a crime, you have done something. What is not forgivable? Don't forgive, they have their own systems, the judiciary is doing their own work, but there is some grounds of humanity.
करेक्ट.
Yes, things like rape, I'm completely opposite. Of course, when one day we will reach to a law where capital punishment is given to such people once it is not falsely declared. But in these matters of custodial remedies and all that, is every human has a right.
करेक्ट.
See, you should not take away the right. He should rightfully live. So I believe there are innocent lives. There are people who do not, I was like, I'll tell you a small incident if I go on it. There was a boy who was just walking on the road, and some bullies came and they just pushed the mother. The child was a little over obsessive about the mother's love, and then he just went and he got from his car a stick or something, and he bluntly, blatantly hit the head, and actually just happened, and the man became serious, and he was not even like, there was menria, no intention to it, no intention to kill. That he was in the jail, and then he was tortured to such an hell that he actually vomited blood and his kidney failed. And we have such cases where humanity calls, and wherever humanity calls, I will try to reach till I live.
करेक्ट. अ जेल कैन
जेल एक
स्पॉइल.
अलग दुनिया है, मम्मी का जेल एक बहुत अलग दुनिया है.
खराब दुनिया.
जो जिनके पास पैसे हैं उनके लिए तो खराब नहीं है. All hates me to speak the truth. जिनके पास पैसे उनके लिए तो बिल्कुल खराब नहीं है, लेकिन जिसके पास पैसे नहीं है तो फिर उनके लिए वो पूरी दुनिया
हेल है.
It's a very dirty world out there. The juvenile courts are very, very dirty. And then the jail life is completely different. You know, possibly a BD or a proper water or something would be sounding luxury at that point of time, and it's like a different world when you enter jail. Either या तो वो बिगड़ के आता है completely, और इधर या तो फिर वो नहीं जाने के लिए बिल्कुल सुधर के आता है. But it's a very different world. You get hit. There are different gangs inside. Then you have to be a certain gang member, and there are custodial deaths that happen, which we do not even know about. Probably the parents कहाँ तक लड़ेंगे, पैसे ही नहीं है निकालने के लिए, तो आगे कहाँ लड़ेंगे. Custodial deaths होते हैं अंदर, and we don't even know how, when somebody dies. So it's a completely different world out.
Very bad.
Yeah. That is depending on what punishment or depending, but I feel that you are already convicted for whatever you have done. You're already serving a sentence, but then also this right of humanity prevails.
मैंने सुना वहाँ मतलब रेप भी होता है एंड people who are not into drugs also उनको भी जबरदस्ती.
That's the kind of tortures. which you do not listen to say certain group or gangsters or parties, or you don't attach yourself to the greater personality there. So you
तो
have
ये
to be
सब
the
करवाते
servant of the person who has, for example, a person who has committed 20 murders, or a person who's a dacoit, a person who's a don, a person who's like, they have to be the servant of that particular person. So they have to go into the community and do whatever they want to do. If you reject to their clauses, if you reject to their acceptance, so they will torture you at any level.
to make a mark
To torture
कि
you
ये
at any
हाँ
level,
ये
so that
हमारा
you come into a group and you become a servant and you serve us. कोई पैर दबा रहा है, कोई हाथ दबा रहा है, कोई, and they're giving massages, and this is a very different world. You can't even talk about it. Forget seeing it. It's a different world. There are the person is sleeping, and the bathrooms are, they're, I'm sorry to say this, but they're urinating here, and the conditions are like
pathetic
pathetic.
unlivable मतलब वहाँ रह ही नहीं सकते
Humanity is a disgrace. इसे तो अच्छा conviction में मार दो आप.
correct
And so many times there are medical help needed. I had come across a case where there was this senior citizen who was having highly diabetic. His body was getting rotten,
oh my god
and you just put your hand into it, and everything would go inside. And he then, he was in a very bad condition. So I just came to know about it, and there were like nobody to inform. The rule, according to our system, is to inform the relative that he's sick. So they did not inform. They did not care to inform whoever the authority was. They did not care to inform, and that man inside, he died such a dreadful death. So I mean, it was completely couldn't see his body, and the people around him also were so scared. What kind of death? He didn't even deserve it. And later on, we all came to know that it was a false case on him.
that is the worst part
That is the worst part. So with growing with so much of population, so much of inhumanity around us, we do not see we do not see different patterns and different faculty of our lives. We are just into one. हमारा क्या भला होगा, हमारा कैसा अच्छा होगा, हम कैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे, यही चीज घूमती रहती है. सिस्टम ऐसा हो चुका है. But come back. If you are going to torture Mother Nature is also going to give you back. I believe in karma. I'm a human being, and I strongly believe in karma. Whatever an experience से बोलती हूँ, 15 साल के experience से बोलती हूँ कि karma comes back.
हेलो आई एम योर होस्ट अंबिका बब्बर नीचे दिए हुए बटन पे क्लिक जरूर कीजिए ये चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूले ये टॉपिक आपको अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक एंड कमेंट जरूर कीजिए